Hey, it's Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to do a quick preview of the AKAI MPK249 customized skins available at styleflip.com. Customize your product, create your own look. We send you an easy to install skin that lasts the life of the product. It's removable and we ship worldwide. You can upload your own images, create your own look right on the website. We ship it worldwide right to you. This is the AKAI MPK249 available at styleflip.com. We add back the text layers in the color of your choice and you can create your own look online. Again, this is the AKAI MPK249 available now at styleflip.com. Customize and protect. Let us know what you think.